Welcome, in front of me Samsung device, and now I'm gonna show you how to return to the standard theme on any Samsung device. So, if you tried thousands of beautiful themes from Samsung Galaxy theme store and now you just wanna return to the default one and you don't know how to do it, I'll show you. It's too easy to do. To do it, you need to open the settings. Not the settings, but main menu. In the main menu, find themes application. You can find it in Samsung folder or just find themes in the search. You can open it using the settings, of course. Then find menu, click My Stuff. And here you will see default theme and click apply. That's it. Thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel and bye. See you.